Hey Dwantro Fam, what's up? Welcome back to my vlog with Baby Nitro, Pabibe, and Daddy Dwaine, Pabibe. Alright, so pag-usapan natin kung anong plano namin para sa future nito. Oh, you funny boy. So, as you know, meron kaming lupa dito sa Karigara. What are you doing, you silly boy? You're a funny boy. Actually, gusto ko ibenta yung lupa na. Pero ayaw ni Shanta. So, para kay Nitro yung lupa na yan. Kasi real estate is the best investment. And in 20 years, when I'm 50 and you are... Wait, no. When Nitro is 20 years old, that means I'll be 50 years old. And that land will be worth a lot more. And it's all yours, buddy. That lupa is all yours. Wow, sana all may lupa. Sana all may lupa at the age of 3 years old. So apart from the lupa, we also have Nitro. You tell them to subscribe to what?
Subscribe Nitro Kids.
Yeah, subscribe to Nitro Kids, guys. That is Nitro's YouTube channel. So we made a YouTube channel for Baby Nitro called Nitro Kids. Yay! And that is going to be his investment for his future. So, nag-upload kami ng mga video sa YouTube channel na Nitro Kids at ngayon pa lang na monetize na siya. So, kumikita na yung Nitro Kids na YouTube channel. So, 50% of the earnings from Nitro Kids go into a savings account for Baby Nitro. That is his savings para sa kanyang future. The other 50% goes into funding the channel. So we're going to be buying costumes and toys and things that Nitro will be unboxing para sa channel niya. So para sa mga bata yung channel niya, it's a kids channel. That's why it's called Nitro Kids, diba? Yes. Subscribe to
Nitro Kids.
Yes. Very good. Ayan. So that's our plan to put savings and money aside for Nitro. When he has his own YouTube channel, now that he has his own YouTube channel, you can start making money for yourself. Hey, yes, nagtatrabaho na siya. We did the work for Baby Nitro, pero siya yung bida sa kanyang channel. Diba? Ikaw ang bida. You say, I am the bida.
I'm the bida.
This beautiful life.
And that's it, really. Ganun lang kasimple. Hindi pa namin alam kung gusto namin dito talaga or doon sa Australia permanently. We're still trying to figure that out at the moment. Pero I think eventually babalik kami doon sa Australia. I don't know when. In a few more years perhaps. But I think eventually doon na kami titira. So we're not going to sell the land. The reason I wanted to sell the land is because... Ginagaya niya ang daddy niya. The reason I want to sell the land is kasi parang para sa akin hindi siya masyadong useful, parang useless lang siya. If ever magpatayo kami ng bahay doon, we still need to get a building permit and it's agricultural land. Yung kalahati sa lot namin is agricultural land, so you can't build on that. So it's pang rice field lang. So sinabi ko kay Shanta, dapat ibenta lang natin yung lupa na yan, bayaran natin lahat ng mga utang namin para you know we can progress na faster. Kasi yeah, mommy is practicing for a high school reunion dance, buddy.
No, I don't like that. I want mommy to booty cafe.
You want mommy to what?
I want mommy.
Oh, mommy to come home.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So come home later after the dance, okay?
No.
The time is 8:30 p.m. sa gabi. And Shanta is at practice. Kaya nami-miss ni Nitro mami niya. You miss mommy?
Yeah.
30 minutes pa lang eh. Na-miss mo agad. The other reason I wanted to sell the land is I cannot see us living here in Carigara long term. So kung magpatay kami ng bahay doon, we wouldn't be living in it for that long anyway. I would be leaving. So we would have to rent it out and then, you know, we'd have renting a house out na wala kami dito sa Carigara. It'd be, I think it would be frustrating having to follow up on rental payments and things all the time. Kami nga eh, minsan late kami magbayad ng rent. At saka yung maintenance habang wala kami dito, di ba? Ganun. So I'm just thinking it's just gonna be a problem, a hassle. Pero gusto ni Shanta na we keep it for Nitro na lang. So I think that's a good idea, no? Para kay Nitro na lang yung lupa. Balak namin lumipat sa Manila. We want to go back to Manila. Because I think after being here in Carigara for, it's almost been a year. It's been 11 months na nakadera kami dito sa Carigara. We've realized that we don't want to live here long term. It's kulang kasi ang mga things dito. The malls, the shopping is kulang. Everything is malayo. Like Ormoc and Tacloban are the two main cities here. They're both 1 hour away from Carigara. It's, I know, the provincial life is good for some. Whoa, you okay, buddy? You okay? You slipped over, didn't you? You slipped over on your books. You gotta be careful. Tapos ang mga event, halos lahat ng event is usually in Manila. You know, so mas maunlad kami dun sa Manila kaysa dito. What's that, buddy?
I want my laptop.
You want your laptop?
Yes.
Well, that is your laptop. There, that's your iPad laptop.
I want to, but I want to watch.
You want to watch something?
Yeah.
What do you want to watch?
That's a Nikki Pooty.
Vlad and Nikki. What about Nitro Kids?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's watch Nitro Kids?
Yes.
Okay. Alright guys, this is the Nitro Kids YouTube channel. Let's watch a video. Nitro, you pick the video. You've only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 videos. Which one do you want? Huh? You choose the video. Which one?
That's my train track.
Yeah, that's when you bought your train track. Hey, you want to watch that one?
No, that's my train track in Nana's house.
In Nana's house, yeah, that's right.
And that's my lots and toys.
And that's your lots of toys.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. Okay, go on. Go, click on the video.
It's my motorbike.
It's your motorbike, yeah. Hey, how about we watch this one where you got lots of presents? You watch this one?
No.
You don't want to watch that one? Which one do you want to watch? Where Daddy went to the dinosaurs?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, it's... Yeah, there you go. That's the one.
Oh, that's what
You're a funny boy. So ayan guys, subscribe kayo dun kay Nitro Kids YouTube channel if you want to support Baby Nitro para sa kanyang future savings niya. And I think when he's an adult, when he's mga 18 years old siguro, he'll have access to the account. We'll figure that out. Para hindi niya sayangin yung pera niya habang teenager pa siya, di ba? So ayan. Guys, as always, maraming salamat sa panonood. And we will see you sa sunod na video natin. Subscribe to Nitro Kids. We'll also see you there. Well, mostly Baby Nitro. We'll see you there. Alright, buddy, you want to say bye?
Bye.
And subscribe to...
Nitro Kids.
Yeah.